गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरु साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। ज्ञानप्रदाय गुरवे नमः। ह्रीश्वरनन्दित श्रुतितत्त्वाय गुरवे नमः। गमगधीभावरसलसिताय गुरवे नमः। मम विधिं रागनरहरिं तं सद्गुरुं नमः। कृपाय परहिताय कृतिनुत गुरवे नमः। दशशतवाद्यवेद्याय पूज्याय मद्गुरवे नमः। निगमावरणे स्वरसिंहासने रागराजराजं तं वरगुरुं नमः। संस्कारं सततं देहि अनवरतं मे आशिषं कुरु स्वरदेवि प्रसादं देहि गुरो। गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरु साक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः।
You taught us music. You taught us to smile. You taught us to give and the right way to live. Can never thank you enough for being what you were and making us what we are. Gurave Namaha.
Hi everybody, I am going to tell about my teachers. My teachers, take a hand, open a mind, touches a heart. I wish happy Teachers Day to all my teachers. Thank you. La 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 la. I am Gunatna. I study UKG. Happy Teachers Day to all teachers. La 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 la. La 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 la. My teacher, Geometry teacher. My teacher, Geometry teacher. You are symbol of nation integrity. You are symbol of nation integrity. You have more patience. La 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 la. La 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 la. You have such first class. I would like to sing a song on the occasion of Teachers' Day. Happy Teachers' Day, Happy Teachers' Day to all my teachers. Happy Teachers' Day, Happy Teachers' Day to all my teachers. You are my best friend, you are my role model, you are my light of life, you are my gift from God. Happy. You are my best friend. You are my role model. You are my light of life. You are my gift from God. Happy Teachers' Day. Happy Teachers' Day to all my teachers. Happy Teachers' Day. Happy Teachers' Day to all my teachers. I love you, teacher. I praise you, teacher. I thank you, teacher, for everything. Happy Teachers' Day. Happy Teachers' Day to all my teachers. To all my teachers. Hi, respected principal sir, teachers, parents, and my all dear friends. I wish you a very happy Teachers' Day. My name is Rashmi Adushi. I am studying first class in SS DAV school. Teachers, you gave us a safe place to grow up and you gave wings to fly. Teacher Day is celebrating on 5th September every year. It is the birth anniversary of Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan. Thank you once again. I wish you a very happy Teachers' Day. Happy Teachers' Day to my principals and all of my teachers. Especially to my class teacher, Mrs. Leela Madam. Happy Teachers' Day. Good morning to all. My name is Anil. I am studying second class. I am studying Sai Spurti Dayanand Anglo School. Today I am telling few points of Teachers' Day. My teacher is very sweet. My teacher is very kindful. My teacher is very helpful. My teacher is second God. We celebrate September 5th on Teachers' Day. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan birthday. He is a second president of India. Happy Teachers' Day, all my teachers. Thank you. Have a nice day. Good morning to everyone, respected teachers and my dear friends. Wish you happy Teachers' Day. Today I am going to give a speech on Teachers' Day. Teachers' Day is celebrated on 5th September every year in India. First Teachers' Day is celebrated on 5th September 1962. It is the birthday of Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan. He was an excellent teacher, great president. Teachers are like our parents, our friends, and our guide. So we should obey and follow the advice of our teachers. Big thank you to all my teachers. Thank you.
Namaste to all. I am C.H. Jagatsekhar from 6th standard. I am studying in Sai Spurti DAV School, Sattupalli. And this is my sister.
C.H. Srinitya Vidatri, 3rd B.
Now we are going to present a song on occasion of Teachers' Day.
My name is Sarajja. I am studying 3rd class. I talk about my class teacher. My class teacher name is Radha Kumari Madam. I like all teachers. Happy Teachers Day. Good morning to Principal Sir and my beloved teachers. My name is Ishita. I am studying in 3rd class. Wish you Happy Teachers Day. In my view, teacher means T is for talented, E is for explaining, A is for ability, C is for correcting, H is for helping, E is for encouraging, R is for rare. Totally, teacher is the knowledge bank. Thank you. Have a nice day. Good morning to all respected principal, teachers, parents, and all my dear friends. Wish you a very happy Teachers' Day. Teachers' Day was celebrated on 5th of September every year in India. The first Teachers' Day was celebrated in India. 1962 on September 5th. It is the birth anniversary of Bharat Ratna recipient Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishna. Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishna. He is a great president and a great scholar and an excellent teacher. Teachers' Day is the best way of students to love and respect for their teachers. Every teacher is the reflection of his or her students. Teachers are the backbone of our society. Dear friends, we should obey our teachers' orders and follow the teachers' advice. Teachers meaning T for talented, E for educated, A for adorable, C for charming, H for helpful, E for encouraging, R for responsible. Thank you. Happy Teachers' Day. Hi everybody. Today is the Teachers' Day. We know that Teachers' Day is celebrated on Dr. Sir Sarvepalli Radhakrishna's birthday. Now I am going to tell about my teachers. I love my teacher. He is kind and nice. Each time I will see them and I feel very happy and excited. Today is the day of to thank them and say Happy Teacher's Day. Thank you.
Very warm good morning to one and all. This is Keshishat, the dear standard of the year. Today is special day for whole Indian teachers. September 5th, on the remembrance of birthday, Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan sir. This day is Teachers Day. Happy Teachers Day to all my SSDAB teachers. I would admire Vani teacher. I being a student planning of all subjects to our class as class teacher. Vani teacher forgives our mistakes as our mother. Vani teacher should stay as class teacher to class teacher to till end of all higher classes. Now Jyoti teacher, you are my great motivator to learning maths. Because of Jyoti teacher, I am not fear about learning maths. Now Nayara sir is one of my favorite sir. He behaves like friend. I feel happy studied in DAV school. I must say one thing. Teachers are inventors. They invent new things. Thank you.
Naga Lakshman Sakat. I'm studying third class. My school name is Saspurti DAV School. Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo Maheshwara, Guru Shaksha Parabrahma, Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha. Guru is like a Brahma, Vishnu, Maheshwara. Mother gives birth. Guru gives knowledge. Guru is like God. We like you, teacher. You are the best. Happy Teacher's Day, teacher. Thank you. I am Sainaga Sriram Sathur. I am studying third class. My school name is Sai Spurti DAV School. Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo Maheshwara, Guru Shaksha Parabrahma, Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha. Guru is like Brahma, Vishnu, Maheshwara. Mothers give birth. Guru gives knowledge. Guru is like our God. We like you, teacher. You are the best. Happy Teacher's Day, teacher. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Deepak. Happy Teacher's Day. Good morning to all. My name is P. Geeta Sahasra. I am from 4th standard. Respected principal sir, teachers and my dear friends. First of all, I would like to thank our principal sir for giving me a wonderful opportunity to speak before you on this grand occasion. Friends, today 5th of September and on this day we celebrate Teachers' Day every year with great joy and happiness. Actually, 5th of September is the birth anniversary of Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan, who was an excellent teacher, first Vice President of India and second President of India. This day celebrated across the country by students to thank their teachers for their incredible support and guidance. Teaching is a very noble profession that shapes the character, caliber and future of an individual. Parents take the responsibility of love and care, while teachers take the responsibility of guiding and educating a child to become a successful in his life. They don't teach us only subjects and languages. They teach us good manners and life skills. We cannot ignore their efforts. I salute them for their sacrifices. My dear teachers, I know we can't repay for your efforts. So at the end of my speech, I would like to say, let's recognize their efforts, dedication and hard work and we should pay respect to them. Thank you.
Morning to everyone. My name is P. Nagashasidip. I am from 5th standard. First of all, happy Teachers Day to all my teachers. Now I am going to share some great words about the teacher. A teacher takes your hand, opens your mind and touches your heart. A good teacher is like a candle. It consumes itself to light the way for others. The teachers encourage minds to think, hands to create and hearts to love. The mediocre teacher tells, the good teacher explains, the superior teacher demonstrates, the great teacher inspires. A teacher presents past on reveals the present and creates the future. Tell me and I forget, teach me and I remember, involve me and I learn. Teachers are our greatest public servants. They spend their lives educating our young people and shaping our nations for tomorrow. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Good morning to all. My name is Manikanta Gupta. I am studying 5th standard. Today I am telling about Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan speech. Happy Teachers Day to all my teachers. Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan was a famous teacher. He was born on 1888 on 5th of September at poor Brahmin family at Titutani, Madras, India. He was a man of later in his life he became the first vice president and second president of the country. He was a good philosopher, person, idealist, teacher and a famous author. He was a man of vision, mission and principles who performed the role of an executive head of India. He was a great personality of the country, the birthday of whom is being celebrated as the Teachers' Day in India. He was a man of honor, whom we still remember by celebrating Teachers' Day. Thank you. Have a nice day.
On occasion of Teachers' Day, I prepared a greeting card. Happy Teachers' Day. I wish you all my teachers.
Good morning, teachers and principals, sir. My name is Pavitra Gayatri. I am studying 5th class. Today, my greeting card for small gift for teachers and principals, sir. Happy Teachers' Day to all my teachers. Once more, happy Teachers' Day, principal sir, and all my teachers. Thank you to one and all.
My name is B. Anusri. I am studying 5th class. Good morning everyone. First of all, happy Teachers' Day. To all my respected teachers, I salute you all for your efforts. You invested to bring out the best in us. I salute to all my teachers as you all have been working really hard and tirelessly to make sure our learning should go on. Thank you teachers for your untiring work of providing education to us through online media during these tough COVID-19 times to ensure that the children of India do not snag behind our schools. Our schools were closed, but every day we were excited to see the lessons, activities, experiments given by teachers. 5th September is celebrated as Teachers' Day. If we see our teachers, they help us to become a good human being and a good citizen of the country. They make us able to face real problems of life. We are really grateful to you for your services. Thank you teachers. Happy Teachers' Day to lovely teachers.
Namaste to all, respected principal sir, my dear teachers, my dear friends, happy Teachers Day to all. My name is Justice Putti Reddy. I am studying 6th standard in Saispurti DAV school. It gives me immense pleasure to talk about teachers. Teachers, the builders of our nation, the shapers of the destiny of every student, the creators of the world-class resource personalities. The greatness behind every great mind. As Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan said that a teacher should be honest, follow dharma, living with truth, leading life with a vision. Teachers' Day is celebrated on 5th September on the birthday of Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan, who was a great teacher, leader and a person. On this day, we must thanks to all the teachers who are striving hard in pandemic. Overnight, the lockdown imposed a radical switch to teaching and learning. Our schools are closed, but studies are going on. That is only because of teachers. We are immensely proud of teachers who are embraced the present situation, positivity and readiness. Our teachers are incredible as they leapt with zeal, commitment, creativity into this new way of online teaching. You mastered your technological skills, found an innovation way to stay connected with students and parents. You have done it all with unrelenting commitment to our shared goal, putting students first. In this hard time, teachers surprised us. They were ready to meet and overcome these unprecedented challenges. We want to thank you and congratulate you for your tremendous work, what you have done. You have accomplished an incredible feat. Thank you, teachers, for everything you do for us, and a special thanks to parents as they are also playing a role of a mentor. Thank you all.
My name is Sylvester from 6th standard. I am going to tell about Teachers' Day. Every year, 5th of September, we celebrate Teachers' Day. It is a day filled with lots of happiness, excitement and joy. As students are eagerly looking forward to tell their teachers how and why are they special to them. It is my honor to talk about our teachers in this wonderful occasion. We celebrate Teachers' Day on 5th of September every year in India. 5th of September is marked as birth anniversary of Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan Garu, and the Teachers' Day is celebrated in commemoration of his birthday, along with being a successful leader in the form of the President of the country. Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan Garu was a great scholar and an excellent teacher. A teacher teaches from the heart. We never forgot you in our life. Wherever we are thankful and grateful for all your efforts. Thank you for giving this wonderful opportunity.
My teacher is the best. She never ever rests. She works hard day and night to make us very bright. My teacher is like a light, showing right past a student. I learn new things every day. There is always time to play. She is like a mother to me. That is why I am not afraid to be me. Happy Teachers' Day to my lovely teachers. Happy Teachers' Day.
Good morning to all the teachers and my dear friends. My name is Anish Tridiras. I am studying 6th class in Saispurti DAV School. Today is Teachers' Day. I wish all the teachers a happy Teachers' Day. Today I would like to tell some speech for today. The light in the world that began in dark, the hope that gives us strength to serve to our teacher. Today we celebrate the Teachers' Day. A day kept aside to honor the gifted souls who work every day to make sure that the future is bright for all of us. excellent teacher and great scholar. Thank you for giving this opportunity to me and stay home, stay safe, and once again I all wish a happy Teachers Day.
You have made a difference. You have shaped our mind. You gave a safe place to grow. You gave wings to fly. You never stop to motivate and inspire us. You work so hard to make our tomorrow better. We would be nothing without you, teacher. Happy Teachers Day to my all dear teachers.
Firstly, I wish you a happy Teachers Day to all my respected teachers. My name is Akira. I am studying in 6th class in Sai Spooty DAV school. Good morning, respected principal sir, teachers, and my dear friends. We celebrate Teachers Day on 5th of September every year in India. Along with being a successful leader in the form of the President of the country, Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan was a great scholar and an excellent teacher. There is a saying that teachers are greater than the parents. Parents give birth to a child, whereas teachers mold that child's personality and provide a bright future to them. Apart from academics, teachers stand by us at every step to guide, motivate, and inspire to become better people. Teachers are also the guides who play an important role in transforming a student into a responsible citizen. Their contribution is not only limited to schools. It extends to the society and country. Teachers' Day is a special and important day as students offer their respect in reason of their contribution in the field of education. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone, respected teachers and my dear friends. Today I am going to give a speech on Teachers' Day. I will begin my speech with the beautiful sloka. All of you join your hands and speak after me. Om Guru Brahma Guru Vishnu Guru Devo Maheshwara Guru Sakshat Parabrahma Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha Gurave Namaha. Teachers' Day is celebrated on 5th September every year in India. It is the birth anniversary as dear Sarvepalli Radhakrishna. It is celebrated to completely his birthday. It is the celebration in all schools. Thank you, teachers. Thank you, my dear friends.
Respected principal sir, respected teacher, and my dear friends. Today I am going to say about important day, September 5th, marked by birth anniversary of Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan. We celebrate this day as Teachers' Day in our India. The most awaited day, which gives me great opportunity to honor the gifted souls who work every day for our bright future. But this year I feel sad because I cannot greet my teachers directly. So through this video, with my whole hearted, I bow my head and wish all the teachers happy Teachers' Day. A parent give birth, but you teachers mold our character each and every step. By being a teacher, you take the responsibilities of education, educating children placed in your care. By setting the classroom stone, add some warmth and fun to classroom environment. While being nurture of student mind, listening to our doubts, our problems, and look for signs of trouble in learning and as well as personal life. So I am going to conclude that teachers are backbone of near future society. Once again, I wish all the teachers happy Teachers' Day.
Good morning to respected principal sir, teachers and my dear friends. I wish you all a very happy Teachers' Day. To my lovely teacher, I want to tell a quotation. One book, one pen, one child, one teacher can change the world. Thank you.
My name is Harbal Subramaniam and I am from 7th. First of all, I would like to wish a happy Teachers' Day for all my teachers. And I would like to tell a thought for my teachers. A good teacher is like a candle. It consumes itself to light the way for the students. Thank
Good morning to the respected principal sir, teachers and all my dear friends. First of all, I wish you all a very happy Teachers Day. It gives me immense pleasure to be here and share my views about Teachers Day. 5th September was celebrated as the Teachers Day all over India. This day was celebrated as the Teachers Day to commemorate the birth anniversary of Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan. The first Teachers' Day was celebrated in India in 1962 on September 5th. This day was celebrated as the Teachers' Day by the students to thank their teachers for their incredible support and guidance. Teaching is a very noble profession that shapes out character, caliber and a future of an individual. Teachers' Day is a day filled with lots of joy and happiness. On this day, we students get an opportunity to tell our teachers how and why they are special to us. Teachers are the source of the knowledge and wisdom. They are like our second parents who mold our personality and provide a bright future to us. They impart good values in us and transform us into a responsible citizen. On this beautiful occasion of Teachers' Day, I take the opportunity to express how much we students love you all the teachers. I extend my gratitude to all the teachers for your invaluable efforts and guidance. Thank you very much teachers for supporting us and being with us. We will all make you proud in the years to come. Thank you for giving me this wonderful opportunity.
Hi friends, this is K. Samuel of SSDAV School studying 8th standard B. Gangaram, Sattupalli, Khammam district. First of all, I wish all my teachers Happy Teachers' Day. In India, Teachers' Day is observed on 5th September. Now I will tell why we will celebrate Teachers' Day on 5th September. We will celebrate Teachers' Day on 5th September on account of Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan birthday. He is the second President of India and a scholar and a great philosopher. The tradition of celebrating Teachers' Day on 5th September started in 1962. Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan was born on 5th September 1888 in middle-class family Tirutani, Tamil Nadu. He was an outstanding student at Christian College, Madras. He was taught at various colleges from University of Mysore to University of Calcutta. He was a Vice Chancellor at Andhra University and other two universities. He was the first Indian to hold a chair in Oxford University. He was awarded Bharat Ratna, the highest award in India. He was second President of India. Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan was a great philosopher and scholar who dedicated his life for youth and education. Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan passed away on 16th April 1975, Chennai. Once again, I wish all my teachers Happy Teachers' Day. Let us obey to our teachers and become great citizens of India. Jai Hind.
very happy Teachers Day. Thanks for your kind gesture, saying it from my heart. You helped right through from the start, and now I reached my way. I just have an heartfelt thanks to say. Thank you once again.
Let this card remind you that you're special through and through, and thought about so warmly and so very often too. You're helpful and supportive in a way that warms the heart. Whatever happens, you are there to play your thoughtful part. Thank you for your kindness which can never be repaid, and for your understanding and the difference it made. A very happy Teachers' Day, teacher.
For a special teacher, sometimes a teacher can touch your life with a magical, mystical glow. Investing his heart in the work that he does, he helps you to learn and to grow. With wisdom, he patiently guides you along towards becoming the best you can do. And when you consider just how far you have come, that teacher you loved was the key. Thank you. Happy Teachers' Day.
Good morning to all the teachers and my dear friends. My name is Deepatu. I am from 10th A. Every year, September 5th is celebrating as the Teachers' Day in our school. The teachers are very working hard for the children's bright future. A day is filled with happiness, joy and excitement. The students are eagerly looking forward to say about the teachers how and why special to them. It is my honor to tell about the teachers in this wonderful occasion. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Teaching is the greatest act of optimism. Thank you for all that you. Happy Teachers' Day.
I wish a happy Teachers' Day to each and every teacher. If we have told a child 1,000 times and he still does not understand, then it is not the child who is the slow learner.
Dear teacher, thank you so much for love, for caring and tenderness, your patience and generosity and boundless thoughtfulness. Your imprint lies forever in my heart and in my brain. Thank you so much, teacher, for being so kind. Happy Teachers' Day.
My name is Armati. I am from 5th standard. First of all, I would like to wish a happy Teachers' Day to all my teachers. I would like to tell a thought for my teachers. A good teacher is a brilliant light, illuminating the prism of life, relieving to students a rainbow of possibilities. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Thanks for all that today you did in your classroom, for making a million little split seconds decisions for the benefit of your students, for putting your own needs and holding and keeping them the focus of your day, for planning for them long before today ever get rolling, for changing those plans because they did not fit someone who needed a little extra, for smiling, laughing with them and reassuring their efforts, mistakes and rights, for placing your hand on your shoulder. That was exactly what someone needed, for getting down the physical level of students, because it matter of thinking a new way to reach someone who wasn't getting it to your matter. Yes, you matter. Happy Teachers' Day.
Teacher, talented, elegant, awesome, charming, helpful, efficient and respectful. The teacher who uses a bright future and add colors to our life. Happy Teachers' Day.
With a special gift for learning and with a heart that deeply cares, you add a lot of love to everything you share. And even though you mean a lot, you will never know how much for you help it. You change the world through every life you touch it. You sparked the creativity in the students who you taught and helped them strive for goals that could not be bought. You are such a special teacher that no words can truly tell. However much you are valued for the work you do so well. Happy Teachers'
Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Parabrahma, Tasmai Sri Gurave Namaha. गमगधीभावरसलसिताय गुरवे नमः मम विधिं रागनरहरिं तं सद्गुरुं नमः गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरुः साक्षात् परब्रह्मा तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः परमकृपाय परहिताय कृतिनुत गुरवे